students, welcome to your channel MRNS Education and Social Service. Dear students, a differential equation lo almost types anni cover chesam. Variable separable, in variable separable substitution method, homogeneous, non-homogeneous, linear differential equation, Bernoulli's differential equation. 5 methods, last method, 6th method. Change of variables in differential equation. What is this? It's very important in advanced model questions as well as mains questions. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, మ్యాక్సిమం దీన్ని చూస్తూ ఉంటుంది. మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, and differential equation involving x dx plus y dy and differential equation involving x dx plus y dy, x dy minus y dx and x square plus y square. So if any differential equation involving these three terms, we take, it seems to be a circle form. Take x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. Dear students, we are going to change variable x and y in terms of r theta, so that we call it as change of variable. My dear students, on squaring and adding we get x square plus y square equal to r square. See, what is y by x value? Y by x value is this value by this value gives a tan theta. Now, differentiable on both sides, 2x dx plus 2y dy 2r dr. Divide with 2, we get x dx plus y dy equal to r dr. So this is the one of the relation, students. Here x dx plus y dy, two terms is there. That value becomes only one term, r dr variable. That is very important. Now, in this term, differentiable on both sides, it is y by x. Apply UV formula. X dy minus y dx by x square equal to secant square theta, tan derivative secant square theta into d theta. Dear students, x dy minus y dx equal to, see, x equal to r cos theta, x square into cross multiply secant, we can write it as 1 by cos square theta d theta, which is equal to cos theta is x by r, x square into cos theta x by r. 1 by cos means r by x, square is there. This becomes r square by x square into d theta. X square getting cancelled. Therefore, x dy minus y dx equal to r square d theta. Dear students, if any equation involving these three terms, we take substitution like this. I will give one example question to you. See this example. On this concept, one of the example like this. Solve x dx plus y dy by x dy minus y dx equal to root of a square minus x square minus y square by x square plus y square. Here x dx plus y dy by x dy minus y dx. చూడండి, ఇవి టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ వాడితే మనకి స్టూడెంట్స్ చాలా ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. x dx plus y dy, x dx plus y dy r dr by x dy minus y dx, x dy minus y dx r square d theta root of a square. When you take minus common, x square plus y square, x square plus y square is r square. So minus r square by r square. Dear students, see, r one time getting cancelled. root of r square is there, it comes to outside by r are getting cancelled. Now dr by d theta equal to root of a square minus r square. సింపుల్ స్టూడెంట్స్, రూట్ లోంచి బయటకు వస్తే ఆర్ అవుతుంది, బై ఆర్, ఇక్కడ ఒక బై ఆర్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి. నౌ వేరియబుల్ సెపరబుల్, సెపరేట్ ద వేరియబుల్. 1 by root over a square minus r square dr equal to d theta. ఈ టర్మ్ ఇటు వస్తుంది, d theta ఇలా వస్తుంది. Now on integrating we get integration 1 by root of a square minus r square dr equal to integration of d theta plus c. This is sin inverse x by a, ఇక్కడ x means r by a equal to theta plus c. Now substitute r value, theta value. R value is root of x square plus y square. So sin inverse root of x square plus y square by a. Students, y by x equal to tan theta, theta equal to tan inverse of y by x, tan inverse of y by x plus c. So this is the solution. It is very 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 important. సో సిమిలర్లీ దీనికి ఏం చేయాలి, ఈ టైప్ అనేది చూద్దాం, ఓకేనా. నౌ స్టూడెంట్స్, నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్స్ ఇన్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. A differential equation involving x dx minus dy, y dy. In previous question, here we have plus. In previous type 1, x dx minus y dy, x dy minus y dx. Both negatives. In previous type, one is plus, another one is minus. Here we have x square minus y square. Dear students, please remember like this. Please remember like this. To remember, I told you like this. It is not a permanent rule. X square minus y square. Dear students, x square minus y square is equal to a square. Is a rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola. For hyperbola, parametric equations are x equal to a secant theta, y equal to b. B is also here a. B is a tan theta. I use these two variables to solve this type of equation. I have written equation like this to solve this. To solve. How to solve? In this question, we have x dx minus y dy by x dy minus y dx, which is equal to root of a square minus x square plus y square by x square minus y square. So it's just like as a rectangular hyperbola. So I take substitutions, x equal to a secant theta, y equal to a tan theta. Now squaring and subtracting, x square minus y square equal, you take a in place r, students, r, variable r. R and theta are variables. X square minus y square equal to r square. Squaring and subtracting. Take r square common, secant square minus tan square is 1. Squaring and subtracting. Now differential, we get 2x dx minus 2y dy equal to 2r dr. Divide with 2, we get x dx minus y dy r dr. So see, in place of x dx minus y dy, substitute r dr. Now what is y by x, students? What is y by x? R tan theta by r secant theta. R getting cancelled. Write down sin by cos. Sin theta by cos theta. 1 by secant means cos theta. Cos theta getting cancelled. Now sin theta equal to y by x. In previous type, y by x is tan theta in previous. Now differentiate cos theta into d theta by dx equal to u by root x dy minus y dx by x square. Dear students, here we differentiate. That means here sin derivative cos theta d theta only. Now see, cos value is how much? Here x equal to r secant theta, x by r equal to secant theta. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta. Cross multiply cos theta equal to r by x. So r by x d theta equal to x dy minus y dx by x square. X one time getting cancelled. X one time getting cancelled. So r d theta equal to x dy minus y dx. Cross multiply x. Students, what is x value? Terms should be in terms of this side only r thetas. R square secant theta d theta equal to x dy minus y dx. So this is a substitution in place of x dy minus y dx. See, in this problem, this side you take minus common, it becomes x square minus y square by x square minus y square. X dx minus y dy. X dx minus y dy r dr by x dy minus y dx. X dy minus y dx. So r square secant theta d theta, which is equal to root over x square minus y square equal to r square. A square minus r square by r square. Students, రూట్ నుంచి బయటకు వస్తే r అవుతుంది, క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. dr by secant theta d theta equal to root of a square minus r square. Separate by variable separation method. Dr by root of a square minus r square secant theta d theta. Integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. Integration dr by root of a square minus r square. Integration of secant theta d theta. Students, it is sin inverse of r by a. Integration of secant theta is log mod tan of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Dear students, log of secant theta plus tan theta అని కూడా రాయొచ్చు. Log of secant theta plus tan theta. We may write like that also. What is r value? Root of x square minus y square. Sin inverse root of x square minus y square by a. Log of tan of pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 theta. See, theta equal to sin inverse of y by x. So sin inverse of y by x. So like this we can do it. Questions involving terms x dy minus y dx, x dy minus y dx. Difference చూడండి, x dx అది క్యాచ్ చేయాలి. y dy, x dy minus y dy, ఈ 3 టర్మ్స్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయ్యి ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లం ఇది. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. జాగ్రత్తగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. బాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, జై హింద్.